Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome once again to the mess hall here at Dr. Jet Laboratories. Today, I have some updates for you. As you know, there's been no building and no running going on because the stink bug works is being used as temporary storage for all the crap that's in the house while the remodeling's going on and so forth. Well, the house project is drawing to a conclusion. Stand by. Gotta have jet juice. The housework is drawing to a conclusion, and I will soon be able to operate the stink bug works. I've also just installed a new air compressor, a great big air compressor that's taller than I am. So I can now run my bead blasting cabinet. So we'll get some interesting things there. But since I have not been able to use the Stink Bug Works, aka my shop, I've been sort of forced into doing other sort of things. So I've been running a really old version of AutoCAD 2002. Now, AutoCAD 2002 is more than adequate for what I'm doing. I do two-dimensional, land development projects, drawing maps and charts and the like. And I also draw plans for RC boats, and I cut 1/16 plywood with lasers, and I make 1/20th scale kits that you guys are going to build into really cool looking, really fast projects, and you're going to win lots of cool prizes. And so you need to order your 1/20th scale kits now because they're going fast. Once they're gone, they're gone. But first, since I've been working with AutoCAD 2002, I've been having problems opening other people's files. So I broke down the other day and I bought AutoCAD 2015. Yeah, it's still old, but I'm not going to spend $5,000 a year for the brand newest version when 2015 is more than adequate for my purposes. So there's a new learning curve on the new software. It's all the same and it's all different. So I got to working on a design that's been kind of knocking around in the back of my head. And lo and behold, the design is done. I've ordered more sheets of 1/16 inch plywood from, of course, Balsa USA. By the way, if you're buying 1/16 plywood in 1 foot by 2 foot pieces, Balsa USA has got the best deal on it. It's a really good deal. Most places, they think their plywood's made out of gold. Balsa USA is pretty legitimate. So here's the deal on the new plan. It's totally secret, and get a load of this, it's going to be in collaboration with Big B. That's right. Big B is going to be a prototype tester for the new Dr. Jet kit. What is it? Neither of us are going to tell you until we have something that's workable. But I've got enough here to build a handful of prototypes. I'm looking at angles, I'm looking at dimensions, I'm looking at power systems, I'm looking at keeping it cheap. Because remember, our motto here is fast, cheap, and out of control. So we're planning on something fast and cheap. And if Big B is driving it, it's going to be out of control because that guy gets more airtime than surface time with his boats. Absolutely, yeah. So that's the latest. Buy some of my 1/16 or 1/20th scale kits. Let's get those things going so you guys can get building. I'm thinking springtime will be the final judging, and I'll come up with the date. But Once again, it's all about speed and coolness, and the event of a tie, coolness will get 1 extra point. So, until next time, boys and girls,